Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WISEMANINVESTMENTCC. Do subscribe on our YouTube channel. We are going to demonstrate what we call flip point 10. The learner will move in the box, as you can see. A flip point 10 is actually you are turning back where you are coming from. Provided the road is covered with pavement on both sides, you don't have extra space. The learner will indicate on the right side. That's the first thing that he is going to make. So you are checking the line in front. When it disappears on your dashboard, you lock your steering wheel completely on the right side. You go until you are on the other side of the line, on the left side. Make sure you don't block the car that are following you behind. Let them go first. When you see the road is clear, you will reverse back and make sure you don't block the other car that are waiting for you at the first stop, the one that are driving on the left side. As you can see, the learner now reverse back. When you reverse back, you have to turn your wheel 2 times for the way to go straight. You reverse until you are not blocking the car moving on the left side of the road. You stop so that you let those cars go. Now you have to indicate on the right side. When the mirror is in line with the dividing line, you lock your steering wheel, you keep it locked and check the line until you see it until the end. When your car is almost straight, you turn 1, 2, then you stop, don't go over the stop sign. Thank you.